How to use Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what Electrum Bitcoin wallet is. Electrum is a lightweight Bitcoin wallet that allows users to securely store, send, and receive Bitcoin without downloading the entire blockchain. The key features include compatibility with major operating systems, that is Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Next, it has cold storage and hardware wallet integration and is advanced security features like 2FA and multi-signature wallets. So, go ahead and visit the official website of Electrum, that is electrum.org, and tap on the download option you see there and choose the appropriate version for your operating system. I will choose Mac OS. Now verify the download and use the provided signature file and verify it against the PGP signature to ensure the authenticity. Run the downloaded file and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Open the application once installed. Further, go ahead and firstly create a new wallet. When you first open Electrum, you will be prompted to create or restore a wallet. Choose Create a New Wallet option and select the wallet type, that is Standard Wallet or Wallet with two-factor authentication or multi-signature wallet, and tap on Next. Next, generate a seed phrase. Electrum will display a 12-word seed phrase. Write this phrase down on paper and store it in secure location, and confirm the seed phrase by re-entering it in the correct order. You will then be required to set a password, so create a strong password to encrypt your wallet file. Now let's get into the process. Firstly, let's learn how to receive Bitcoin with Electrum. Open Electrum and go to the Receive tab and copy your Bitcoin address or use the provided QR code. Share this address with the sender and monitor the History tab for incoming transactions. And to send Bitcoin using Electrum, go to the Send tab and enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Specify the amount of BTC to send and adjust the transaction fee. Higher fees result in faster confirmation, and use the slider to set your preferred fee or select Advanced for manual input. Finally, tap on the Send button and confirm the transaction by entering your wallet password. So, this was about Electrum Bitcoin wallet tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.